Hey, here's my DeWalt modified mobile power toolbox. So, starting off, we got French cleats. Uh, we'll start off with the front here. With the front and the M12 line, French cleats were held in very nice by these little stoppers and wedges here. So I have Wolf here on the side for the design. I also burnt these boxes a little bit. We got the M12 hacksaw, the smaller version. You know, you got the sawzall when you need bigger. Here is the M12 Dremel, which I use to do all the designs on the sides of these boxes here. So yeah, we got the Wolf on this side and the friendlier Wolf on that side. And here is the multi-tool. This is great for getting in anywhere that you wish you could have, for anything. Like it says multi-tool sander, and you fix your grout with this. Oh, my beautiful baby. So, she's the one I'm feeding. She's the one these tools are feeding. I'll put you back there with care. All these are held in very nice. They don't bounce. They're all. They won't go nowhere when they're on the mobile toolbox. Which, this, you can't just set it in there, it doesn't fit. You have to put it in, you have to tilt it, put it in, and it comes in with these, goes out with these. It's very nice. So, the next one we will be looking at is, come on, and lock in place, is its mobile toolbox. Anything that's mounted on the side locks into place from sliding back. It doesn't really need it, but it fits so well together, but it's good to have. So to do, here's the auxiliary handle for the tools I'm about to show you. Another French cleat. We have anything to do with fastening. We got the M18 fuel surge, super quiet. I have one of the impacts. Every impact I have used makes my baby cry. She hates them. She doesn't mind this one. It's really, really nice. It says a lot for this tool. And that's right. I should show you the fit there. We got the little keyhole with the fit out for the bottom. And she fits really good. I don't want any of these tools moving when I'm going on any job site. We also have, sorry about that, we have the M12 stubby with a 1/2 inch to 1/4 inch adapter. Any fastener that this will have a problem with, this one will take without a problem. It'll put it in real nice. Another keyhole. It's funny, all these are just keys. All these tools are just in the shapes of keys. There we go. This is the only one that has a bit of wiggle along with that Dremel. It needs a bit more work. For the drill, we have the M18 Gen 2 1 key. I read up on the Gen 3. She likes to overheat. You know, it's really nice that Milwaukee comes with a 5-year warranty, but I don't want to be using it every few months. We got the adjustable, you know, just like the Gen 3. We got the adjustable 1, 2, 3, 4 speeds, and then your infinite, nearly infinite for whatever you need to do with this drill adjustments to your phone. Got Bluetooth tracking device in there, which lets you know where it is, even without a battery, and it has a little cell on the side. You can also turn it off too if it goes missing. Shut it down. It's pretty cool. I appreciate that. So, 1 second. These are. There we go. And moving on to the back here. Another tool from the back. We got. If I can get it out of my cleat. Whoever built this knew what they were doing and didn't want their tools going nowhere. Okay. Woo! A little bit of sweat comes out. Woo! So we got the sander. M18 sander, cordless, super freaking powerful for cordless. You know, I love it. We got the dust compartment here with a vacuum attachment and the extended attachment if you want to throw on a bigger battery for longer run time. It's really, really nice. The designs, yeah. And again, the designs on there with the burnt, a little bit of burntness to match the black DeWalt rolling toolbox there. And let me just flex a little here. Now we've got another cleat on the back here. She's cleated all around. We got the corded grinders. So we got the DeWalt die grinder and the DeWalt 4.5 inch angle grinder. I got 6 ankle grinders, going from the 8 inch wrist twister down to some 4.5 inch. There's so much attachments for these grinders. It's really nice not to have to continuously having to change between them. So yeah, these cords just wrap around it, keep it in place. It doesn't really need it. These fit in there, you know. They're in there. And with the designs on this one, I figure I'd try something a little bit more. I got the wolves on that one there, and then we got the bird making a little bit of wind. There's a little bit of wavy lines there. I'm pretty happy with how this turned out. So, what do I do for work? Well, of course I work. I got these tools, right? I don't only like looking at tools. Of course I like looking at tools, but what I do is I'm a welder. I guess. But I do a few of other things. You know, welding, you gotta do just about everything. It's so much fun. Inside, oh, the most boring part, inside the toolbox. We got the M12 impact. So, you know, who needs a right angle when you got the M12, right? And a 12 volt. These things will get in anywhere. We also got the DeWalt bit sets. A nice little knife there for whatever you need a knife for. You know, you never know when someone's going to try to get you when you're working. And it comes with a tough built drill holster. Got some impacts in there, and I'm happy with it. Tough build makes a good system. And I'm going with the 12 volts still. I like taking care of my tools. They look like they're clean, you know, it's because, you know, they are. You know, the tools that get dirty deal with steel. You know, it's hard to get that crap off, but the wooden tools, they stay nice. But this M12 Gen 2 fuel gets used for steel from time to time as a pilot hole. This is the hammer drill. The hammer drill isn't as precise. The collet isn't built the same. This is very, very good. Very straight. I love it. A lot of power. Like I said, it's for pilot holes and steel. For wood, for what I do, I haven't found its limitations yet. Well, I'll save the attachments for a second here. Now's the time for I give all you with hangovers a little motion sickness. I'm picking you up and moving you around now. So you notice a lot of these tools are battery operated, and for the ones that are not, I got a retractable reel. I think it goes 35 or 40 feet. Bolted around to the side there. And like I said, in the boring part, inside the toolbox, we got the backing in the back there, along with the bracing. We got our Skill circular saw, a Radley jigsaw. I seen it on for a price that was unreal. I thought I'd grab it. If it's junk, you know, you could afford to throw it away, but it's holding up. And the DeWalt Sawzall. Now you notice that these power tools these corded tools are corded, you know, for a reason. Not only because I can't afford the battery, but when I am using these, it's for an extended period of time. The grinder, angle grinder, sawzall, scale saw, jigsaw, longer than I'd like to be changing batteries. Just be honest. It takes a lot to run all day on something that you're not going to be using and putting down from time to time. So we have the die grinder attachments with 1/8 collets. 2 is 1 and 1 is none. A good example. So I got some Chinesium, which are decent, you know, really decent for the price. It was a quarter of the price for what this GDX costs. But you know, for hardened steel, the GDX goes through it no problem without chipping at the teeth from time to time. I tried it with the other ones there, and I got a little chip here and there. So she stays to mild steel. Next, we got an impact set. for Milwaukee. I know I got the DeWalt, but you gotta have Milwaukee. Along with the step bit set. Or step drill set. Or whatever the fuck this is called, I can't remember. I haven't gotten to use it yet. But I was advised not to use it in anything bigger than 1/8 steel. I'm gonna follow that advice. I don't want to be calling Milwaukee shit when I'm using it inappropriately. I love you, Milwaukee. Anyways. Next we have the undercut tools for the multi-tool. This is all of the metal blades, different sizes and sorts, and whatever you might need to get in any kind of whatever position. Here's the wooden ones, along with the sanding discs, or I guess not discs, sanding pads. A few other attachments for it. Attachments for the Dremel, sawzall, hacksaw, circular saw. Yeah, this has been really fun to make, really fun to use. I got the DeWalt Tough system here for cold storage. I already did a modification where I fit all 14 of these tools and the attachments that go with it into one box. I know, it's pretty cool. I'll do another video. Into one box, the bottom box there with the wheels and the handle there. It's so freaking, building toolboxes is so fun to watch too. I enjoy watching your guys' tool videos, and I hope you guys enjoyed mine. Any tips, pointers you might have, or any questions that you might have, I'd be happy to answer. I guess the next time you see me doing some kind of something like this is with the van I purchased. I'm planning on making the van on French cleats, just like this, so I'll be mobile on top of mobile. Alright, that's been my DeWalt toolbox review. Have yourself a great day or night. Bye for now.